Hello, my friends. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to my craft room. I wanted to share with you, I'm so excited to share with you my next projects. So, yeah, I couldn't wait. So, I got this little book out. I was going to list it in my shop, and I realized the spine is coming off right here. It's cracked. And it's not like I can't sell it in my shop, but I thought, kind of when it's like that, I kind of, decide whether I want to put it in there or not. And usually I decide not to, and to make a journal out of it myself, if I can. So I'm going to start on this one first. It's a little kind of, you can see my hand, it's a smaller little book, so I think it'll be really cute. I love the cover. Simple Hawaiian cookery. I'll do a new spine. The back is the same pretty little vintage Hawaiian, illustrations there, graphics. I think it's so cute in the colors, blue and green. And then the pages, I can make some of these into, journal cards and tags and things. So I think that'll be really fun. The same kind of blue and green colors. Look at that one with the fish. So cute. Pineapples. I love the illustrations in here. They look so artistically drawn. You look at the boats there with all the rowers. So very cool little book. And so yeah, that one's going to be my next project. We'll start on this today if I have time. I only have about 15 minutes before I have to get ready for work today. But I was just too excited. I couldn't wait to start. I have the cardboard there for my spine. And then the other books that I can't wait to start on, I wanted to show you. I went through my book covers, which I showed you, a couple months ago. I showed you my stack of book covers. So I went through them every time I want to make a journal. This one I don't think you have seen before. I have not shown you this one before. So it's a new one that I brought home that I wanted to show, go ahead and do something with. And then these I've had for a while, and you have seen them before, but so I had in the back of my mind that I wanted to make some glue books. I have not made glue books in over a year, and I usually like to make some every year, you know what I mean? And so I finally, said, let me go through that stack of book covers and see if there's any good glue book covers. So I found these. This one's really cool. What is that? Singer Science Discoveries. So this one I think would be a really cool glue book. It's not too big. None of these are too big. And I'm going to get my ruler and tell you how big it is in a second. So I'll put a new spine on it. So it'll start about right there. So once this spine is off, it'll be about 6 inches wide. Perfect. And about 9 inches long. So nice, not too big, not too small glue book. And here's the back of this one. Very mid-century modern kind of space graphics on here. So very cool. And then this one was a children's book. I think it was like a reader for kids. All these are vintage, but aren't these cool graphics? Shining bridges. I love the different things on here. The butterfly, and then it has different pictures in the butterfly wings. And then down here, here's the back. Again, another butterfly there. Macmillan Reading Program. Let's see what the inside I would cover. But there's the inside. There's no date in here. But I've already used the pages in these for something else. This one's blank too. Look at this one. Here's the strings sewn in. The pages were sewn in. That tells you how that was kind of old. And this one's really cool. Let's see. Did I tell you? I didn't tell you let me hold on. Back up a little bit. Back up. This one is. I didn't tell you the size. This spine is already gone on this one. Don't know why. Don't know what I was doing when I did that. So it's about 6 1/4 inches wide on this one. And this one is also about 9 inches long. Maybe a little bit, maybe 9 1/4. And then this one is from where the new spine would be 6 1/2 inches wide and 9 1/4 inches long also. But isn't that pretty? birds of the world. Pretty. Those birds really stand out on this orange background. Here's the back. A golden book. But yeah, and then the inside is just plain blue. Here's the original spine. It looks like these were sewn in too. Here's the little holes. But yeah, it looks like it was a library book. There's where the pocket was. Oh, here it is. Colonia School Library. So yeah, so it has that stamp in there twice. So those will be my next projects. After this one, 3 glue books. And I do want to make some more strawberry journals. I have some of this stuff left. And I got this pretty fabric for that very purpose. I wanted to open it up and show you. I don't know if I did that. But look how pretty those colors are. So I do want to make another strawberry journal with this fabric because I had bought this fabric and I have not used it yet. So yes, that is also on my list, on my short list. So let's get started for a few minutes here. And let me put these off to the side in my little project cart there and get started on this one right now. So I think that let me get my I don't know if I've wiped this down. Let me get my wet wipes here. And these are some wet wipes my husband had bought. They're very thick and they smell good. They're like for, I don't know what they're for, cleaning. Solugard Botanical Convenience Wipes. I don't know. Pre-moistened. Biodegradable. Anyway, they would clean things, so that's what I need right now. I just want to wipe this down and see if it comes any cleaner. I don't remember cleaning it. I don't want to take the color off, so I'm not going to like rub and rub, but if I can get a little bit of grunge off, that would be good. Yeah, not too much is coming off, so I think it's about as clean as it's going to get. I probably got a little bit of dirt off there or something. The spine's coming off, so I'm not going to clean that. Maybe just clean the white spots. One more time up here. This is kind of grungy up here. Let me see if that'll come off at all. I just don't want to take the whatever covering off of there. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. I don't want to take the color off. So let's cut this cover off. The spine's already coming off like I showed you. So I'm just going to cut right here. It's already kind of halfway off there. And while we have this piece, I'll just go ahead and let's see where it wants to end and start and end there. Let's see if I can cut it. Yeah, it's all paper right there. No cardboard, just paper right here where I'm cutting off. So that's what I want to do, cut off the paper. So I have a nice edge there to attach my new spine. There we go. I think it's going to be cute. Oh, I'm catching myself here on things. Okay, and this one. And I'll probably just make some tags from these pages on Tag Tuesday. But this is a recipe book, a little recipe book, Hawaiian cookery, so it has lots of recipes in it. Smooth edge there. There we go. Okay. Let me get rid of this. I haven't picked out any paper yet because I knew I wouldn't have time to deal with paper today, but here are the, let's go ahead and pull that off. Look at that. It's just already detached as far as it wasn't glued on there or anything. It's just already coming off. Okay, this. Let's see. Let me see. So these pages are just glued together. I was going to tell you the year real quick. This is by Peter Popper Press, kind of like that other journal I just made with the red cover. This is 1964. So a nice age on that one. Let me get a few little bits of paper off my desk here from that spine that we just took off and took apart. Okay, so yeah, I will take these apart later, and get ready for some tags and things, but that'll be fun. Nice, colorful, pretty tags and recipes and things. And then, so let's get these upright. That's upright, and this is upright. So now I can measure my new spine. Let me grab my pencil. Let's see, I have a pen here. I don't know where my pencil is. I'm going to have to look for that because it's supposed to be in there. Might have rolled under my desk because I did drop that on the floor the other day. I knocked it on the floor and everything went everywhere. So the pencil might have went under my table. I didn't realize it. Okay, so let me see. About right here, I'm going to cut. And then 1.5 inches wide on the spine. So it'll be about right. Right, 1.5 is right there. Right there. Okay, so we're going to cut that, get that ready. Let's see what we can get done. So this is another like processing of the books, a book and book covers. I kind of have in the back of my mind a goal to use all of those book covers this year in 2023. Do something with all those book covers, like have that pile gone, if you know what I mean. I showed you that a couple months ago, and if you remember, there's quite a few there. So I gotta move on those book covers. The ones I showed you today are the biggest ones. The rest of them are smaller. Picked out all the big ones for glue books, which they're not really big, as I just showed you. They're not really big, but they're not, you know, they're not small. So, but yeah. So, and I have some other books I'd like to make into glue books too, but I want to kind of tackle that pile first of book covers that I've already, because the other ones are just, you know, just books that I have that would be great glue books, but I haven't even taken out the pages or anything yet. I just want to make sure this is, always want to make sure it's upright. You don't want to do this when, you know, do your cover-ups, half of it upside down or something. So you know how I do this. I have my little space there. I have my new spine, and I put my tape down. So, fun times here. Get this nice and even. Almost, the tape is almost wide enough. I always say that. Almost wide enough to not have to use two pieces, but not quite. So yeah, I was excited to get started on this. I should be doing the dishes right now, but no. I'm here crafting. I know. I did do a load of dishes. There's clean dishes in the dishwasher. And I should have taken them out this morning and put some more dirty dishes that are in the sink in there. But the dishes will get done. I don't need to rush on the dishes. My husband might do them when he gets up. He's not up yet. But yeah, he does the dishes a lot. So he might do them when he gets up. And if he doesn't, one of us will do it when we get home. Maybe. Probably. One way or the other, they all get done. I'm not worried about it. I'd rather be crafting, right? I'd rather be crafting. Okay, let's fold that down. And I put tape on both sides. That way it's nice and sturdy. And my little space there. Okay, I'm going to finish this piece here, and then I'm going to have to stop because my time is up. And I got a lot to do before I get ready for work. I mean, to get ready for work, you know, all the stuff. but you know, I'm not going to go into that. TMI, might be TMI. Don't want to have too much TMI here, right? Okay, let me cut this off. Oh, we made some progress. Can't wait to see this one done. I can't wait to look through my scrapbook paper. What goes with this book? What goes with this book cover, right? I'm sure I have something. And the spine fabric is going to be very interesting. I'm not buying anything new. You know, when I do this, I don't buy anything new specifically for a project. Usually I just go through what I have and make it work. I always find something. It's really amazing. I mean, you know, I bring enough stuff home, but then it's not for a specific project. It's just for whatever. And then when I start a cover like this, I go through everything and find what goes with this, you know. So there we go. That looks beautiful already. Doesn't it look like new? Wow. And there it is. I'll put some more tape out here, but anyway, super cute already. All right. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned for the process, and have a great day.